This is a diamond wheel cutter. It uses a metal wheel that's coated with diamonds. The metal bit on the edge there is impregnated with diamonds. At the side here we have a well that's full of water. It'll have a minimum and a maximum mark on. You've got to make sure that this well is full of water. You don't want it running dry. If it runs dry, you're not going to be able to cut your tiles properly because the blade won't be lubricated. When you set your fence on your saw, you've got to make sure that it's not tapered. If you set it so that it's tapered in, when you push your tile in, it's going to jam and then you're going to be stuck. So you've got to make sure that when you set your fence, you set it so that it's straight. Another thing you're going to need when you're using one of these is a pair of safety glasses. So we're just going to put the safety glasses on now and we're going to cut this tile. The thing to do is move the guide down so that it's touching your tile. If you just push it straight through like that, what you're going to find is when you get to this end, it's going to chip your tile as it's exiting. So a good tip is to just turn it over and just cut the exit line. Just push it in slowly. And then we've started, then we've got a line where we can exit from. Now you can turn your tile over and you can push it through and you can cut it. When you're using a saw, it's important never to put your hand in front of the blade when you're pushing, always keep them at the sides. If you do have to push near the blade, you're getting off using a push stick rather than your fingers. You don't want your fingers anywhere near the blade. And that's it now, the tile's been cut. And now you can see we've got a nice clean cut.